No, it was hiccups happen in life, so it was like you had to just push that to the side. You worry about that later, and that's why we're here right now, just enjoying the BET Awards. We come every year, supporting the family, supporting my dad, and my dad's got a big performance this year. So yeah, who's performing?
My dad.
This is a big moment. It's like a family reunion for Bad Boy, and I think this is gonna be something that sets the tone for look. Bad Boy's still here. We ain't never went nowhere. Can't stop, won't stop.